We are at this pit in the ground here with two friends. James back here, and we're going in. We don't know what's in here, but we're going.
I ain't removing my bolt. Man. And he is over the 200-foot pit. That is what is in front of him right now. I mean,
Oh my gosh, that's way further than I thought.
Oh, no way.
yeah.
Jeez.
You can't see from right here.
No.
Okay,
Where he's at.
I thought I was gonna see him at the bottom about halfway that deep.
Wow.
I don't even. Did he go all the way?
Wait, he's not even at the bottom yet.
Oh, okay.
You gotta go down a crack after that.
Oh, there's a little bit of craziness going on.
Oh boy.
Holy crap. This right here is the scary part. Just fully committing to that knot right there. Whew. Whew. That's commitment right there.
That's why you really shouldn't have that.
Dude, send it, bro.
Oh.
Or a stopper, because over the foot of this is a brake. Technically, you should do a 3. Hey, not to trust 2.
Holy crap.
But being honest, there, weight, I've never had.
It's a long rope drop. I didn't even bring a backpack in here.
I got batteries in my pocket.
Yep.
Well, I can see your way.
Use mine.
It's a long way down.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to fall off. That's absolutely true.
Yeah. Yes. Very, very true.
Just do not take your hand off this rope. That's
Yeah, it ain't bad at all.
I thought it was like a really deep pit.
I mean, it is. Like, you don't want to fall. But I think you got this with no harness. This is 50 feet, man. It's a bad one if you fall. Alright, you got it, man.
says some He-Man Hulk thing.
Yeah, give it the beans, man.
There it is.
Some He-Man Hulk thing.
Still
There's
got
a book in here now.
Look.
There wasn't a book in here last time.
Go this way.
Yeah, get ready for some good mud.
Oh, yes.
Oh, you managed to avoid it. I'm ended up with like clown shoes over here.
Nice and sticky here.
Yeah. Ah, that's not too bad. This looks horrible. I hear running water. Oh, okay. Down that way?
Tighter.
Ooh. Yeah, I could tell this would be running a lot more if it was rainy season. I like how we immediately split up.
Yeah. I think they might have went that way.
Makes sense. It's about the only other place they could have gone.
You want to check what's there?
Oh, up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better be up there.
Let's do that. Okay, do we continue up this sketchy rock pile?
Okay.
I think we should.
I how that rock is just suspended.
I know. Like right above my head. A car-sized boulder. Correction, a bus-sized boulder. It's a pretty gnarly climb, isn't it? Holy, this room's bigger than the last room.
What are we talking about?
Probably.
Look at the formation on top.
Hey! Oh my gosh. Okay. Holy. Dude.
Nice.
This is a ledge. This is no joke.
They're down there.
Oh no, they're up top.
What's up?
Yep.
Somewhere down there. How deep is it?
I don't know.
I don't think it'd be 100.
That's 100 feet. I'm gonna throw this rock. Cause they're up there.
There?
Yep, I saw the lights coming down.
Okay.
Let's see. Dang. That's every bit of 100.
Is the waterfall up there?
Let me check this out. Yeah, that's where the waterfall is, right there. Gotta admit, I didn't expect to see this down here.
The last time I came, we went the opposite direction. So this is nice.
Yeah. Hey, how'd you guys get over there? Oh. I'm assuming we don't want to go this way.
No, don't go that way. We're going back that way. I done been over here like twice
Oh, okay.
since we've been in here today.
Right. Now it's our turn to go down the sketchy slide of death. Oh. Okay, that's actually sketchy. Oh, so we're just in the bottom of where we were chucking all those rocks?
Oh yeah, we were standing up
Oh. I didn't know where the heck we were at.
Yeah, we were way up there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. You see when we climbed back down the first time and went under, that's that second ledge down in the middle, and yeah, that one. That's where we were at then.
Heck yeah.
Dude, look at this piece of crystal.
What the heck? That's crazy.
It's so thick.
I know.
It looks like snow.
Oh wow.
I wonder where that rock came from.
I know, right?
This is,
Oh, this is dope, man.
Whoa.
this is like 90 foot. 100 foot.
I know.
Beautiful. This rock is pretty beautiful.
I know.
It looks like a massive.
That's what I saw.
And honestly, it ain't too bad if you actually plug that wall. But I like to stay on my feet. Sometimes it makes me feel better.
Yeah, solid choice. I trust it.
A nylon Walmart rope.
Oh, well, if you said it was a Target rope, but
No,
Walmart.
they got this piece of Hudson Classic here. Bulges right there.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah.
then they got a piece of Walmart nylon going way up there to a rock for an ankle.
Oh, that's insane, man.
This is the other waterfall.
That is insane.
Watch it, it's straight off.
All right. Well, we all know we're up here. I'm throwing a rock down there.
So look, giant waterfall behind us, giant waterfall in front of us.
That's crazy, man.
Hey, do you want me to throw a rock?
Yes, throw that rock.
Alright, here we go.
That's 100 feet.
No, that's a good 9.
I can't believe you just went across that. I mean, that's insane.
That's insane,
Yeah, but now I kind of want to do it.
right?
Is it a shortcut?
Yeah, it's a shortcut. Hey, we're going a different way.
How the heck did you not slip off?
I did. I don't know about you.
Jeez, this is insane. Okay, this is no joke, man. That was the sketchiest thing we've done in a while.
They're all down there at the bottom of the pit. They're so two-dimensional down there.
They are.
They're gonna come climbing up from right here.
Dude,
It's so long.
I like that shortcut we took.
I know. We stayed pretty much on level ground.
Oh, I finally realized where we're at now.
Right? It's hard to get your bearings because it's so big.
Does that defy gravity?
Whoa, and on the edge of a
I think
pit.
it's more like where the wind blows.
It's 80 foot.
How do you explain this one up here?
This one looks like a harpoon.
Look at this one over here.
This one, there's no explaining that one. It goes back up in the air. I thought that could only happen with like tiny ones.
What happened is it probably cracked or something and bent a little bit, and then a drip started landing on it.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense actually.
Why didn't it just hit the ground? Whatever y'all do, don't step off that ledge in front of you.
No, yeah, that's 80 foot. I mean,
Definitely dropped right here on the rope a few times.
What proves that?
It's live. Carried all the way back to the Humane Society.
Those are heavy though.
Yeah, could you imagine trying to get a 13-footer out of the swamp, marsh,
After
into a bag or a cage or something?
you eat a baby alligator.
Yeah. Oh.
Where's that?
Yeah, that's a crawl, man.
Yeah, it looks like where to go.
It's the way to go, huh?
Kind of digging this way.
Oh, a little bat friend.
Wow.
I found a little bat. You guys made it. Oh, I thought you were my brother and our friend.
Brothers in Christ.
Yeah, there you go. What's going on?
What's up, man?
Pretty good. Well, have fun, yep. He looks just like me, but with long hair. Woohoo! All right. Whew. It's high. Yeah.
The more of it I went through, the more of it you really no map and anything, you need a whole bunch of damn lights or glow sticks that last a long time. 125.
Hey.
Hey.
But that was the very first rope I rappelled down when I was 16-year-old.
The breeze. I know. It's so nice out here. It's so green and magical. All right, well, we're gonna get all our ropes wrapped up, pack up our stuff, and make the hike back to the cars.